Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group W and my name is Muhammad Iqbal Arif bin Nasruddin. Today, our group want to present of our project report. Our project is multifunctional shopping trolley. There are several chapters of our project report. Chapter 1, Introduction. The shopping trolley currently being used all over the world are simple carrying basket with wheel and added facility. By our project on multifunctional shopping trolley, we are thinking of way to make this more advanced system. Our project added a feature through which the person get the bill amount of his or her product or items kit in the trolley. The product use a RFID system which is well known for scanning multiple items at a given time. The total bill amount will display on LCD screen which is attached along with the RFID reader upon the trolley. Another enhancement we have brought into the shopping cart is the analog stick to control movement of the whole trolley with variable speed control in order to help customers carry a lot of goods. This will be done by using 24-volt DC motor and driver at wheel of the trolley. On our project, time consumption can be reduced because they can make payment through multifunctional shopping trolley that have debit or credit card reader which also using RFID reader to make payment. All these systems combined make our project multifunctional shopping trolley look more futuristic and help make it easier for customers in shopping mall. Problem statement. Problem 1, barcode scanner and time consumption. The problem with conventional barcode system is it can scan only a single product at a given time. This consumes a lot of time during the billing process. So we have come across a far better solution through our project, Multifunctional Shopping Trolley, which help in effective time management during scanning, creating the bill, and can also do a payment during checkout. Problem 2, pushing a heavy trolley. The trolley of the present time has to push in order to relocate it. So what if a person has to buy a lot of items, making the trolley much heavier to push? So we have added in our project an easy way of moving even the heaviest of shopping trolleys around. Our project on analog stick to control the trolley can be used not only by young, but it is user-friendly for each and every person from toddler to the elderly. Objective of our project. The purpose of our project is to reduce the time spent during the wait in the queue at billing counter. By using the RFID technology, we are able to scan multiple items at a given time. The second objective of our project is to help customers to move the trolley easily without even needing to push it. We use analog stick to control the trolley. Users also use RFID reader to proceed their payment in shopping by scanning their card, credit or debit or e-wallet. The scope of study for this project is to study and apply the suitable method for reducing time consumption and helping customers carrying heavy items. Motivation for design. The main motivation behind this project is people standing in a long queue at supermarket waiting at the billing counter for their turn to come. For example, supermarket at the time of festival of people, and to handle such crowd, we need an effective approach to diminish the time consumption. So if there would be a system that does quick billing and effective management will provide people with effortless shopping. Our project also to help people who are unable to use a heavy trolley. So it's very user friendly at every age group. Contribution for SDG. These are key areas where we can make the most positive contribution and where we will report on our progress. SDG 9, Industry, Innovative and Infrastructure. Next, SDG 10, Reduce Inequalities. Lastly, SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Evidence of related pattern search. This is a standard trolley that we familiar in supermarket. Related pattern that we search using electronic display, RFID reader only. From this pattern, we made a little modification to add motor to move trolley and power supply that to make our shopping trolley more multifunctional and user friendly. That's all for me for introduction of project multifunctional shopping trolley.
Assalamualaikum, good morning. My name is Muhammad Hanif Nofarid bin Rosni. My metric number is 2011110791. Today, I want to talk and brief about chapter 2, which is need analysis. Okay, first, our market segment is for big supermarket companies such as Tesco, Giant, Eon Mall and others. It also can be purchased for personal use. Our survey analysis had been complete with over 91 respondents. The customer background. Female is the highest respondent to our survey, which is 53, and the other is male, about 38. Okay, I will continue to respondent background. Okay, for the survey, the highest at work for government sector, and the others is from student, private and others. For age, the most respondent is between 21 to 30 years old, and the more income classification is between 250 to 5,000. Okay, I will continue to problem and the design style. Most of the respondent has trouble to carry groceries, and shopping bag is not enough space to carry stuff while shopping. Okay, and the last but not least, customer requirement. Our survey, this chart show the respondent was agree and support our project. Thank you.
For the chapter 3 is design specification. 3.1 Design Parameter Identification, House of Quality. Engineering characteristic for our design is the multifunction smart trolley is easy to use, reduce jamming probability, more attractive, acquisition cost is low, maintenance cost also low, lead time of response dimension big and can fill more item in the smart trolley, more quality of customer interface, and the smart trolley is safety to use and good for every age. For customer requirement is no line, more client, reducing personal cost, improving job performance, enhancing supply chain, and reducing management cost. You also can refer the HOQ table for the customer requirement, no line, more client, and more. Engineering characteristic is to use, jamming probability, acquisition cost, maintenance cost, lead time of response, dimension, quality of customer interface, attractive and safety. For no line, important weight factor is 5, is to use is 3, jamming probability is 1, lead time of response is 9, attractive is 1, safety is 9. For more client, important weight factor is 4, is to use is 9, jamming probability is 3, lead time of response is 3, quality customer interface is 3, attractive 9, safety is 9. Reducing personal cost, improvement weight factor is 2, acquisition cost is 9, maintenance cost is 1. The other from that is no data. Improvement job performance, important weight factor is 4, is to use is 1, jamming probability is 9, maintenance cost is 9, lead time of response is 3, safety is 3. Enhancing supply chain, important weight factor is 3, jamming probability is 1, lead time of response is 1, safety is 1. Reducing management cost, important weight factor is 2, acquisition cost is 9, maintenance cost is 9, lead time of response is 1, dimension is 1, safety is 3. For the raw score, is 55, jamming probability is 56, acquisition cost is 36, maintenance cost is 58, lead time of response is 74, dimension is 2, quality of customer interface is 12, attractive is 41, safety is 102. For the relative weight is to use is 12.6, jamming probability is 12.8, acquisition cost is 8.3, maintenance cost is 13.2, lead time of response is 17, dimension is 0.5, quality customer interface is 2.8, attractive is 9.4, safety is 23.4. The rank order is safety is number 1, lead time of response is number 2, same point with important weight factor is 2 also. Number 3 is maintenance cost. Number 4 is jamming probability. Number 5 is to use. Number 6 is attractive. Number 7 is acquisition cost. Number 8 is quality customer interface. Number 9 is dimension. For 3.2 is product design specification. Product identification is the product name is multifunctional shopping trolley. Basic function is the purpose of multifunctional shopping trolley is people in a mall or supermarket. For the example, multifunctional shopping trolley can prevent jam in the mall and no line needed to pay for the item. They also can move the trolley with the controller. Special feature is user can use trolley by moving it automatically using controller. At Trolley, it also provides RFID reader to scan item. This scanner has an NFC technology installed that combines RFID, radio frequency identification in scanner, so that the sale item is scanned much faster and more efficiently with a communication based on line of sight LOS system. For the payment, the present payment system on the till and self-service checkout also for boost card and cash payment. However, for security reason and to detective, the purpose system can only accept card payment. This can be achieved by scanning card to RFID reader to proceed their payment. They also can use e-wallet by scanning barcode display at tab. Power supply will give power energy to all components that we add to this trolley. Emergency stop button also provide in this trolley to make sure customer safety. For the key performance target is mobile self-checkout system, user attractive system, time saving, ensure security, customer can locate desired product in the store. You can find that on the tab. Next is support card payment and e-wallet, generate e-receipt, powered by rechargeable battery, avoid long queue for payment. For the rechargeable battery, the transformer will serve a place to charge the trolley. The worker in the mall will charge it. Key project deadline is the multifunctional shopping trolley need 5 to 6 weeks in order to construct all the components in 3 to 5 weeks and test this trolley in 1 week. The deadline of the product is 21 April 2021 to 20 June 2021. Physical description is using common trolley for 100 liter item can be placed in the smart trolley. For the material, you can look at number 4. At grip, they will have plastic desk to place tab, RFID scanner, analog controller and emergency stop button. Power supply will cover with aluminium to make sure customer safety, and if multifunction happen, and will place at bottom or front of the trolley. Manufacturing specification is all components will be developed at Unimed Putra. Other will be custom at off-the-shelf (COTS). Supplier is TBD and online shopping. For the market identification, the target of market for the product will be in the supermarket and the shopping mall. Initial launch is around per list. Initial product run is about 300 units. Based on the market acceptance, expand to selected mall will be interest with this design in 4 years. Competent product is done. Brand name is Multifunctional Shopping Trolley. For the financial requirement, pricing policy is over life cycle. Target manufacturing cost is about 400. Estimate retail price is 450. Warranty policy is 3 years. Expected financial performance or rate of return on investment is TBD. Level of capital investment required is TBD. Life cycle target is, we targeted this product lifetime is about 3 years because the component is all high quality and environment friendly. However, the maintenance of the multifunctional shopping trolley is about 2 times per year to maintain the multifunctional shopping trolley always in a good condition. The part that has to change in 3 years is battery of the LCD screen, tire and lubricant oil in the motor. In 3 to 4 years, the trolley must be sent back to the company to reconstruct or recondition the multifunctional shopping trolley to make sure the trolley can have the great condition. Social, political and legal requirement is safety and environmental regulation will be followed. Safety and product liability, make emergency stop button more efficient and functionable without power supply to prevent unexpected incident between user. Intellectual property is smart trolley.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Irfan Shafiq bin Abdul Fattah. My matric number is 1911100652 and I'm from group W. My group number is W2. I will explain you all about concept generation. The concept generation provides two tasks for engineer, which is to improve their level of creativity and learn design methods that improve odds of finding a creative solution. This project starts with brainstorming session to come out many ideas so as we can use to make some choice with design that I will choose, and finally multifunctional shopping trolley has been generated. This chapter also combines all modifications that we have discussed to our project. In concept generation, we will focus about design goals and constraints, functional decomposition, morphological chart, physics of design ideas, concept designs, design parameters and constraints. 4.1 Design Goals and Constraints. We had a brainstorming session with all of the group members in order to generate some innovative ideas on how to proceed with this project. Brainstorming is a process of generating ideas that design teams use to generate new concepts. Alex Osborne devised this strategy in order to inspire the creation of innovative magazine advertising. Using a checklist to assist in producing new ideas is one technique to aid in the brainstorming process. A scamper checklist, for example, may be used as a stimulant when the flow of ideas starts to dwindle during the brainstorming session. Albert also has made some modification to this scamper. 4.1.1 Existing single functional. Some present single function items have been transformed into more imaginative and innovative design in order to keep the product more functional while offering a variety of style to attract the attention of customers. The first product we use is Trolley. Trolley is used for carrying load or to transport the material at various points. Second product is Tablet. The tablet that will show and display about what item that they choose to add to their cart, and it's also display the total amount the customer have to pay after they're done with their shopping. RFID reader, they used to scan credit card or debit card when a customer want to make a payment, and they also can use RFID scanner to scan a barcode for item that they choose and put it into card that display at the tablet. Analog stick. Left figure shows us an analog stick to control movement of the trolley. Customer don't have to push or pull the trolley but just use the analog stick to move the trolley toward the direction that customer wants to move. Emergency stop button emergency stop button is used to when the multifunctional shopping trolley is lost control or having some malfunction. User just need to push the button so multifunctional shopping trolley will stop immediately. Power supply. consists with battery with 54 volt battery, 100,000 mAh, Arduino board, 24 volt DC motor and driver, ultrasonic transmitter circuit, and ultrasonic receiver circuit. RFID gate scanner used to scan items that not scanned with RFID reader, and item that not make payment yet. This also will trigger alarm to prevent some theft event. This is our existing multifunctional design. Multifunctional shopping trolley with tab, RFID scanner, analog stick, and emergency stop button. All of function has been shown in part 4.1.1. An Arduino Uno, a battery, and an ultrasonic transmitter and receiver circuit are all housed in the trolley's power supply unit. The battery will power up and activate the main board, Arduino board, and the ultrasonic transmitter unit will be used to link all of the components, including the tablet, RFID scanner, analog stick, and emergency stop button, to the Arduino board. As a result, when the power is turned on, the ultrasonic transmitter unit will broadcast the signal at the frequency that has been programmed into the main board of the device. Battery, Arduino Mega 2560, Arduino board, 24 volt motor drivers, and ultrasonic receiver circuit are the most important components of this project. The battery will provide powers to the motors, motor drivers, and the Arduino board, among other things. Ultrasonic receiver circuit is designed to receive and process the signal that is sent from the analog stick, analyzing data signals and ultrasonic receiving circuits, as well as providing feedback on shopping cart movement by sending signal to the motor drivers, who in turn operates the motors using analog signals, are the function of the main board. This is our constraint. You can see the table below show the comparison of all the existing products in the market, single functional and multifunctional in aspect of multipurpose, cost, multi-user, durability, size, safety, and reliability. According to the table, the multifunction shopping trolley 4-functional system, which is for automatically moving the trolley, display all items that the customer choose to shop and total price, as well as payment by debit card, credit card, e-wallet using RFID reader. Customer benefit from the low cost, but this trolley is multi-purpose. The size is quite large, because the capacity of the trolley is 100 liter with all of the medication that we made to the trolley, and the durability is medium because some single functional design may not have the high durability for a period of time if all customers use the multifunction shopping trolley carefully. But safety and reliability are high because in this design we make a safety as an important thing with an emergency stop button that we cut off all the power when a malfunction is happening. 4.2 is functional decomposition. Functional decomposition of a device, system, or process into its constituent component is referred to as functional decomposition by engineers. It refers to the process of breaking down the overall function of a device, system, or process into its constituent elements. In most cases, this is done via careful analysis and team discussion of project material, with the end result being a chart that explains the issue and or solution in better detail. So the multifunctional shopping cart is powered by a battery, an Arduino board, and an ultrasonic receiver, and transmitter circuit, and a motor. We modified the trolley by adding a tab, an RFID reader, and an analog stick, and an emergency stop button. When we turn on the power supply, it will provide power to all of the components we added to this design. The analog stick and emergency stop button will control the wheel. It will be connected to the motor on the wheel. Customer can simply control the trolley with analog stick if they want to move in their preferred direction. The analog stick will communicate with the power supply and generate power for the motor to move the trolley. Why? The emergency stop button is when the trolley malfunction. They have to press the button and the power supply will cut off the power immediately and will stop the trolley. Morphological chart. This is a problem which is moving direction the trolley automatically, and the solution is power supply give a power to motor at trolley wheel, analog stick, and emergency stop button. Scanning item that customer add to cart, which is using power supply, RFID reader, RFID gate scanner. Display item that customer choose and total all item, which is using power supply, RFID reader, tab. Paying total price of all item chosen using power supply, RFID reader, tab. And prevent from any problems such as the shopping item, RFID reader, RFID gate scanner. Physics of design ideas. Trolley Function is used for carrying load or to transport the material at various points. This trolley will be modified in such a way that the power supply will be placed in front of the or beneath the trolley, depending on which design is best. Its purpose to generate all of the components that will be added to this trolley. However, the power supply primary function is to move the trolley. This trolley can be moved by using an analog stick. There are many components that we add, such as tab, RFID scanner, analog stick, emergency stop, emergency power button, and power supply. Second is tab, that display all items that customer choose and display total price item for customer make a payment. The characteristic is the tab will be put on a plastic desk that we made with plastic board that is grip of the trolley. The third is analog stick and emergency stop button. Function for analog stick is to control movement of the trolley, and function of emergency stop button is to stop the trolley and cut all power supply and make the turn off. Characteristic: the analog stick and emergency stop button are also attached to a plastic desk by a tab. RFID reader have two functions, which is to scan barcode at item if customer choose to pick and buy the item, to scan credit card or debit card if customer want to make a payment. And the characteristic is, in addition, the RFID reader is also placed on the plastic desk with tab and emergency stop button and the control movement of the trolley, which is analog stick. And the last is RFID gate scanner. Use function is used to scan item that not scanned with RFID reader and item that not make a payment yet. It will be installed at the entrance to a shopping mall or supermarket. It will sound an alarm if a customer tries to steal the item but does not pay for it. It makes sure the security at the mall is strong. This is our concept design. The first our concept design is just a normal trolley. It's just normal trolley, not our concept design. And the first is scan shopping trolley, our first design. Second design is warehouse trolley. The third design is automatic shopping trolley. The last is multifunction shopping trolley. For design parameters and constraint, you can see the design criteria that we choose a type of trolley, material, cost estimated, jamming probability, durability, reliability, cost maintenance, weight, and safety. For the four design that we choose and design. The table shows four designs that we create, including the type of trolley we use and the material we use for all the trolley is an important feature. In addition, the cost of creating this design was estimated. We just took all the trolleys at the shopping mall to make some innovation. Jamming probability is important to make sure the durability is good for all design. Reliability is also useful for ensuring that a product fails within a specific time frame. The trolley is in charge of maintenance. Weight and safety are the most important factor in ensuring that customers are satisfied and safe while using this product. That's all. Thank you. We go to the next chapter.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Roshawadi. My metric number is 201110789. Okay, I will explain about conceptual design. Okay, overview. Our concept design, it is easier for consumer in the supermarket to buy goods. This multifunction trolley can move the trolley with mobile or tablet control. Other than that, this multifunction trolley concept is very important in this era of sophistication. Okay, first chart. Based on our first chart, the probability of the chart being won is concept D, because on the average the concept satisfies all the tastes of all parties and customer. That is why the plus value of concept D is much compared to the other concept. Other than that, the minus value of the other concept is a refer from concept D after a comparison. Okay, AHP, analytic hierarchy process. based on the AHP chart, flask D has the most value because the quality of flask D is better than flask A, B, and C. Beside that, the second highest value is flask B because the quality of flask B is better than flask A and C. Beside that, the lowest value is the value of flask A because the overall quality is somewhat less than of the other flask.